Swiss roll, chocolate to melt. This is going to be the snow. Then we've got the sprinkles.
Why does the coconut have to be the snow?
Because it's white, isn't it? We've got little trees on there. We've got little balls. This has got gingerbread men in, candy cane.
Chocolatey caramel.
And we've got the Swiss roll. Look at that lovely lushness.
That matches about right.
Always good to taste test your food. You want to start tasting?
Nice.
Fits on nicely.
Yes, it's nice.
And we've got a little log section there which we're going to connect. We've got a good technique for chopping chocolate. Go. Oh, blimey. Oh, blimey. Keep going. Chop. 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 Got a saw hand? You want to do one more choppage? Boom shank.
Oh yeah.
Then we get the chocolate and we put them in there.
I was somewhere else. Or
Be quick. Go all the way around. We've covered every little bit. So nice firm lines. Look at that. Beautifully done, Penny. Oh, look at that. Very nice. Doesn't have to be amazingly spot on because nature isn't always perfect. Sprinkled. Lovely job, Penny. Look at that snow. What? You're saying you've mixed.
the leaves and the sticks.
So there's little sticks. Okay, that's cool. That could be on the ground, couldn't it? There it is. Decorating it with your little decorations. Look. What is that? Edible sparkle dust?
Yeah.
Cake decorating sparkle.
You can just spray it on the